The New England region takes in the higher altitudes of northern New South Wales in Australia. The region has many rivers, dams and lagoons, and plenty of woodlands. A common bird found on large dams and lagoons is the black swan. They are often seen with 5 or 6 young cygnets. Little black cormorants are often seen nesting on the edges of lagoons. Great cormorant are also seen resting on the edges of dams and lagoons. Little pied cormorants can also be seen spreading their wings to dry their feathers. The Australasian darter is also seen in many rivers and lagoons. They swim to spear fish with their sharp bill. They also spread their wings to dry their feathers in the warm sun. Nankeen night heron usually roost in trees near water during the day and come out to feed in the late afternoon. Sometimes they feed during the day, especially in the breeding season. White-faced heron is a common bird found in where there is shallow water in dams, rivers and lagoons. They prey on invertebrates and fish and roost in trees nearby. White-necked heron usually search for prey in shallow freshwater wetlands or swampy grasslands. They usually nest in trees above water. Great egret are also found in shallow wetlands and sometimes flooded grasslands. Their neck has a distinct kink and is longer than their body. The plumed egret, previously known as the intermediate egret, is also found around the edges of wetlands. They hunt for frogs and reptiles, and their neck is about the same length as their bodies. Flocks of straw-necked ibis are often seen in the region. They use their large bill to dig for invertebrates in swampy wetlands and grasslands. Australian white ibis are also seen hunting for food and nesting on the edges of wetlands. Yellow-billed spoonbill are also seen feeding in wetlands in the region. They are sometimes seen on large farm dams. Flocks of royal spoonbills can sometimes be seen on the larger dams and lagoons of the region. In woodland areas of the New England, a commonly seen bird is the black-faced Cuckoo-Shrike. They hunt for insects in the foliage of trees. In the western, more arid areas of the New England region, you might be lucky enough to spot the ground Cuckoo-Shrike feeding on the ground. Another common bird of the New England is the welcome swallow. They hunt for insects on the wing, over water and in the woodlands. They quite often build a mud nest under the eaves of houses. Fairy marten are also seen in woodlands of the New England region. They are usually seen flying over water, hunting for insects on the wing. They have a rufous-coloured crown and build a nest of mud. Tree marten are also found in woodlands and shrublands of the New England region. They have a dark crown and usually build a nest in the hollow of a tree. In summer months, you might find a leaden flycatcher hunting for insects and spiders in the woodlands. If you hear a grinding call in the woodlands, it's usually an indicator of the presence of a restless flycatcher. A common bird of the New England region is the willy wagtail. They are always on the lookout for insects. Another common bird chasing insects in the New England woodland is the grey fantail. In the summer months, in the wetter areas of the New England, you might be lucky enough to spot a rufous fantail. What a pretty little bird. Another insect eater commonly seen in open eucalypt woodlands is the Jacky Winter. Open woodlands where there is eucalypt, wattle and fallen timber is a good place to search for hooded robins. They perch on dead limbs and timber and fly out to take prey from the ground. The scarlet robin is also found in the New England woodlands. In summer, in the higher altitudes of the New England, you might be lucky enough to spot the flame robin. The eastern yellow robin is found in a variety of habitats of the New England region. You usually see them clinging to the trunks of trees, searching for prey on the ground. In drier woodlands and open forests where there are shrubs, you might find a speckled warbler searching for food on the ground. In wetter forests where there is dense undergrowth, you might find a white-browed scrub wren. The superb Fairy-Wren is common to the region, provided there is low, dense vegetation and open ground. From early spring, you might hear the beautiful call or catch sight of the white-winged triller. They breed in the region in the summer. Another common bird of the New England woodlands is the grey shrike thrush. They eat spiders and a variety of vertebrates. They have a variety of beautiful calls. In eucalypt forests and woodlands, you might be lucky enough to see crested Shrike-Tit hunting for grubs in the bark of trees. Another beautiful bird found in the region in forests and woodlands is the golden whistler. A summer migrant to the New England forests and woodlands is the rufous whistler. They have a variety of beautiful calls. New England is well worth a visit.